Hello everyone, I welcome you to yet another lecture and an important institute series for AFO and NABARD. And I'm sure that you all must have enjoyed the last important institutes for horticulture lecture taken by ma'am and the innovative approach used by her to memorize the different agricultural important institute using maps, right? Let's take inspiration from that and continue our important institute series for soil science, extension and engineering. Without wasting any second, let's jump into few of the important institutes that are important for your examination. These institutes are related to soil science. Okay. So yes, first important institute is ICAR, Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation. So yes, as I said, we are using maps to memorize this important institutes. Let's go from north to south, right? So, the first institute, that is Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation, is headquartered in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So, this is Uttarakhand, Dehradun, where our first important institute, that is Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation, is located. Next important institute is Central Soil Salinity Research Institute. And we know that soil salinity is a major problem in Punjab and Haryana. So this institute is located in Haryana, that is the place where the soil salinity is major issue. So after Uttarakhand, next important point or the place is Haryana, and the place is important for the institution, that is Central Soil Salinity Research Institute. Okay. Next institute is Indian Institute of Soil Science, that is IISS, that is located in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, that is Indian Institute of Soil Science. Okay. Next important institute is National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning. We often come across this institution in agroecological zone classification, right? So this organization given that classification, right? NBSSLUP, and the headquarter of this organization is in Nagpur, Maharashtra. So after Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra is important for this NBSSLUP. Okay. And the last important organization institute that is important in soil sciences, Indian Institute of Water Management, and it is located in Odisha. Okay. We know that in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, we have studied the another important institute, that is Central Institute for Freshwater Aquaculture. So you can link these institutes and group them according to different states, right? So the freshwater aquaculture is situated in Bhubaneswar. Then again, the Water Management Institute is located in Bhubaneswar. This is how you need to link the institutes, and it will be easy for you to memorize them collectively, right? So these are some of the institutes that are important from soil science. Now let's jump to the next important institutes that are from agriculture engineering. The CRAE is PYQ for your AFO. So yes, this is important. Okay. So first institute is ICAR, Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering, that is CIAE, which is located in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Now you only tell me, in the last slide we studied one institute from Madhya Pradesh, and what was the name of it? So we studied IISS, right? We studied IISS is located in Madhya Pradesh, that is Indian Institute of Soil Science, and engineering, that is Indian Institute of Agriculture Engineering, is again located in Madhya Pradesh. Next institute is ICAR, Central Institute of Post Harvest Engineering and Technology, and it is located in Punjab, Ludhiana. Okay, so PHET, that is Post Harvest Engineering and Technology, is located in Punjab, and the near state, that is Haryana. You only tell me what was the institute that we studied. We said, right, the soil salinity is problem here. So the Haryana, the Institute of Soil Salinity is Central Soil Salinity Research Institute is located in Haryana. We also studied one institute in Uttarakhand. What was it institute? The Institute of Soil and Water Conservation. So yes, this is how you need to revise and study the institutions. Okay. So yes, so let's discuss next important institutes. The first institute is ICAR, Central Institute for Women in Agriculture, that is CIWA. So we know that UN declared 2026 as International Year for Women Farmer, right? So the important facts or information on those lines become important. That is, woman farmer becomes important. So this Central Institute for Women in Agriculture is located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So in two slides in the past slide we covered one institute that was located in Odisha. What was that? So it was the Institute for Water Management, and again there is one institute, that is Institute for Aquaculture, that is freshwater aquaculture is again there in Odisha, along with this women in agriculture. So you can remember W for women, W for water management. These two institutes are located in Odisha. Okay. So yes. Next is ICR, Indian Institute for Agriculture Economics and Policy Research. So it is in New Delhi, and again the Indian Agriculture Statistic Research Institute is again in Delhi. So this Economics and Policy Research and Statistics, these both institutes are located in New Delhi. Okay, so this was it for the important institutes from soil science, engineering, and agriculture. So, yes, after that, let's discuss some of the confusing and important institutions that often come across when we are studying the extension, right? Okay, let's start with KVK. So KVK is a Krishi Vigyan Kendras, or these are the farm science centers, or they act as a technology transfer centers, and by transferring the knowledge, the research from the labs to the fields, right? They act as a bridge between the researchers and farmers, and that they tries to complete that communication process, right? So yes, they provide a training, they provide frontline demonstrations to farmer. They also test uh, different technologies and varieties for that region, right? Are they suitable for the particular region or not? They All these things are tested, trained, and given demonstrations are given by these KVKs. Okay, so these are district level centers who act as a link or bridge between these researchers and farmers, and they do what? They provide training, they demonstrate different technologies, and they test also different technologies are they for that specific area, right? So yes, and these KVKs operate under these Ataris. Okay, so what is Ataris? So these Ataris are Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute. Agriculture Technology Application Research Institutes. And what are these? If I want to explain you in like general way, or in like easy way, these are the boss of these KVKs. Okay, so what we did, ICAR divided all the area, all the geographical area into 11 zones. Okay, 11 zones, and for each zone we have one Ataris. Okay, and all the KVKs that come under that zone will be managed, will be like coordinated. All the activities of those KVKs will be coordinated, monitored by these Ataris in that particular zone. So we have 11 zones and 11 Ataris which are located in different areas. You don't have to mug up all the 11 zones in their headquarters, but yes, just remember the concept. There is concept called Ataris. Next is ATMA. So we often get confused between KVK and ATMA. Okay, both are district level bodies. Okay, both are district level body, but the KVK comes under ICAR. Okay, and this ATMA comes under Ministry of Agriculture, or you can say Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. These are ATMAs are administrative body. A for ATMA, A for administrative bodies. Okay, and yes, they do what? As I said, they perform planning, they provide funding, and for implementing different extension programs. Okay, so these are district level autonomous agencies for planning, funding, and implementing different extension activities and programs in that particular district, and they come under Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Is its full form, that is Agricultural Technology Management Agency. Agricultural Technology Management Agency. Okay. So, okay, we covered some of the institutions that provided training to farmers, right? They provided training, then demonstrations, they give a demonstrations to farmers. Now, there must be some institutions that provided training to extension personals that are in turn giving the training to the farmers, right? So, we need a skillful, trained extension personnel who have that updated knowledge, updated research information, updated technologies, and updated communication tools that he or she can use to communicate the technology effectively to the farmers, right? So we want skilled extension personnel, and these two institutions are doing that uh, for us, right? So Sameti and Manage. Okay, Manage is really important organization. It is again PYQ for your AFO. So the question was, there is one scheme called ACABC scheme. Okay, it is again comes under it is one of the project of NABARD, and this Manage is the institution which provide the training under that scheme. Okay, so Manage is National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, and it is a PIX, a national level body for training, policy support, and HRD, that is Human Resource Development in Agriculture Extension. And again, this is important. It is headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana. So manages the national level body that is providing training to the extension personnel. Okay. Next is Samiti. Samiti is a state agricultural management and extension training institute. This is a state level training and capacity building for extension functionally and located in each state. So Samiti is state level and Manage is a national level apex body which is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. So yes, this was it for today's session on important institutes for soil science, engineering and extension. Now this is practice MCQ for you from the current news, that is, what is the name of India's first national level cooperative university launched in July 2025? So we know that 2026 is the international year for women farmer, and 2025 is international year for cooperatives, right? And to celebrate this year, government is launching different initiatives under Ministry of Cooperation, and this is one of that initiative. And they recently launched India's first national level cooperative society. So just comment down the answer for this, that is, what is the name of that university, and also comment the location of that university. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next session.